Girl. Oh. You said you like my glasses? Who? Me? You said dehydrated. No. No. I don't know her. Hello, beautiful people, and happy 2020. Oh my God. We are in a new decade. That's actually pretty crazy. I feel like ending 2019 was kind of the first time, at least in my adulthood, that I truly felt that I was ending a year, like ending a period of time in my life. So I'm super excited for 2020, okay, and all the blessings that I deserve. Do you hear me? Of course, I thought that we can kick off this year with some skincare. Guys, this is the year not only of self-caring, right? I feel like we've gone through that stage already where it's hashtag self-care this, hashtag self-care that. Everybody was just self-caring. However, I think the biggest missing piece of all of this is understanding self-care, what it means for you, what it does for you. You guys know that I am a fanatic when it comes to skincare, but it's a little bit deeper than that. It's not just about products that just work on my skin and make me look, this good. Skin, okay, you are looking good today. I love sharing my self-caring with you guys as it supports other Black women who also need access to healing. For me, self-caring is my self-healing, and if there's anything that I want you guys to take away from this platform, it is that. I want to continuously offer support to women, women that look just like me, amongst others. I would want everyone to know how important, how invested I am in taking care of myself, because in return, when I'm taking care of this, I'm also taking care of this and all other, I guess those two are the most important ones, right? So yes, we are kicking off 2020, okay, straight into skincare. So Caudalie sent me, actually a few, not even a few, I would say a lot, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, these add up when we add the dollars. I literally screamed, okay, when I opened up this PR package and saw all of these products. Ooh, there's just so, did you hear that glass clink? That's expensive, okay? When your product is in a glass bottle, giving me upscale. All right, so we're gonna kick this thing off with a little bit of coffee, actually, before we do anything over here. My mom this year bought me a milk frother. For all my coffee drinkers out there, this is like, okay, this is next level. I usually just brew my own coffee with my Keurig. And then just go ahead and pour my milk on it. Just straight black. Okay, nothing fancy with the coffee. But now that I have a frother, okay, lattes on me, different. She's different, okay? All right, so we're gonna kick this thing off with a cleanser. I'm so happy that they sent me a cleanser. I just feel like I don't often come across a cleanser. Like when we're talking about sending a full line of products, for some reason we just skip over cleansing. I don't know, but I'm excited that I got my hands on this one. So it looks like this is in another language. Instant foaming cleanser. It's a moisturizing grape and purifying sage. I do want to tell you guys the retail price of this though. Where did my notes go? This little baby retails for $28. Yeah, I would say perhaps a little bit on the expensive side, comes to cleansers, but let's just see how good she actually is, because my Tatcha cleanser, I would say, is my holy grail. Like, I've been using Tatcha probably for definitely, could we say a year, maybe 9 months, and I haven't switched yet. I've tried other cleansers, but I still always revert back to the Tatcha deep cleanse. It's like nobody's touching her, okay? Do y'all hear me? Nobody. Ooh, she's a foamer. I don't think I have a foam cleanser. Oh, okay. I smell her. She's definitely giving me grape. But she still feels really gentle. That's good. Okay. I was a little nervous when I saw grape, only because my skin, with all the sensitivity, child, like, Yep, she be tripping. She be tripping. Yeah, she doesn't really do well with like fruit extracts. I get super sensitive on my cheek area, possibly a little breakout even up here. But I'm not getting that at all with this little baby. Hey now, hey girl. Pro tip. Make sure you are activating your product before you are applying it onto your skin. And all activating means is just giving you a nice little scrub-a-dub-dub before applying right to your face. Also, you should be cleansing your skin for 60 to 90 seconds. This is like the optimal time for those ingredients that you activated can penetrate into your skin and not necessarily just be, you know, glided on over and absolutely do nothing. Okay, this $28 better be worth something. Ow, girl. My skin feels so clean. It feels so clean, and I love that. I love post cleansing and feel like there's nothing left on my face. But also at the same time, I'm not like, I would definitely say that this cleanser could be suitable for all skin types. My skin is super sensitive, and I mean, I absolutely have no redness. Sensitive skin folks, okay, go ahead, tiptoe on over. Touching better. Watch out. We have a mask. So I've definitely heard of her before. This is the Instant Detox Mask. It cleanses impurities and tightens pores. Perfect. Seems like a pretty regular detox mask. Nothing too crazy. Oh, she's pink. Hey now. And she's $39. Not bad for a really good detox mask. How many fluid ounces we get? 2.5? This mask has been on for a minute and I feel like it's already getting stiff. Child, Jesus, I can't even move. Okay. What is this pink that I'm getting? I'm sure it's some type of clay, but is it Australian clay? Like, what's happening here? Ingredients. Yes, I'm so glad that I called this out. That's so important when we're talking about getting our skin together, really investing in our skin, right? It's always going to start with the ingredients, no matter how expensive it costs, okay? No matter what that bottle looks like, no matter what store it's sold in, ingredients are really important because it makes it more personal to you and the health of your skin. You should begin to start learning about what ingredients work well for your skin, what ingredients your skin is like, girl, don't you dare try me. This will then make introducing new products in your routine much easier. It will allow you to switch products more frequently if needed. It makes this skincare thing a little bit less complicated. Ooh, no, I never get over you. Oh my God. My Uber Eats almost here. I mean, I definitely can just go open the door like this, right? Oh, y'all want to see my new sunglasses I just got? What? Girl. Oh. You said you like my glasses? Who? Me? You said dehydrated. No. I don't know her. Girl. What is a pore? Even though this was a pretty like intense detox mask, it left me with some moisture and I love that. That's what makes a detox mask for me. Like, yes, okay, I want you to clean out all that stuff that don't need to be there. However, don't leave me just dry now. Okay. I'm also really impressed that even with my skin sensitivity, we are still thriving. My skin is still thriving. It's the redness part that's getting me right now because I feel like you guys seen me do skincare a lot here, rubbing, touching, massaging all over my face, and I will get super red. Of course, it has a lot to do with other factors, right? Like my diet. I realized that while I do love red wine, drinking red wine often inflames my skin even more, or any type of red food. And I have none. I have none, and this is crazy. I also can see this being a really good mask even for just your weekly maintenance. Now, I love masking. I mask about 2 to more so 3 times a week. It's just my favorite part in the whole like self-caring process. I'll say one tidbit, right? Say if you find yourself kind of exhausted with skincare, you're like, girl, I'm not trying to have 10 steps. Just like 10 steps, like I don't get that. I barely got 10 minutes. Start to find what you enjoy most about your routine and why. 1, it will just keep you consistent because you're looking forward to it. And 2, it just makes things not so instructional. And I think that's the overwhelming part about skincare. You're like, it's all of these instructions and I don't like any one of them. Just find that step that you like and also your skin likes. And I promise your routine will start coming a little bit more at ease. All right, so we just got a couple more, maybe four more products. By this point, we are into our moisturizing part of the routine. Now, they didn't send us a toner, but we do have this beauty elixir. Now, I will be honest, I've used this. I've heard about it already before I got it. It was just a matter of me having a coin to get it, and voila, I got it. I have nothing to say but go buy it. Go. Listen, no. I love spraying her right before I do any type. Hold on. Okay, let me slow down because she is expensive. Yes, before I do any type of moisturizing, she's just a nice refresher to the skin, even as some type of glow component, and just preps my skin right before I put on a serum. This is the girl of the hour. This is their Radiance serum. I think she's like $80. It's definitely on the expensive side, okay? 100%. However, similar to that beauty elixir, she's fabulous. She's best for boosting your skin radiance and also for that even kind of complexion. I would say though, I don't really like how watery it is. When it comes to serums, for me, I like something that's just a bit thicker. I just feel like it's laying on my skin a little better, but that's definitely preference. That doesn't mean that this product isn't doing what it's supposed to do. And I feel like I use just more of the product when the consistency is this watery. However, the feeling of her, she feels like $80, okay? She feels upscale. Am I giving the girls Radiance, our moisturizer? I've also shared this one before because when I got her, what immediately caught my eye was Hydration Intense. Oh, that was the other language. Intense moisturizing cream. I was getting ready to fly out to Toronto and I realized I didn't have a traveling moisturizer for the flight. And I said, Intense moisturizing cream. Okay, we need her. So I used this on my recent trip to Toronto and just slabber on, okay? Just go get it. Just go get it. If you find that your skin just has a little bit of trouble with retaining moisture or hydration, perhaps go for a thicker cream. And if you are oily, okay, and you're just a little bit hesitant because thicker to you just means more clogs, more oils. Look, I get it. You can definitely find a cream that is oil free. Is she oil free? Now, why I think she's worth $42 is because it is such a thicker cream. You don't need that much. Like, this jar should last me a couple months before I go ahead and hit pan. Also, what I wanted to point out about this, because I just saw it when I was looking up the price, she's really great for sensitive skin. She has a lot of calming and soothing components in here. Lastly, they sent me their eye cream. This was another, I guess all of these would be their cult favorites. This is just the eye cream, okay? That's it. She said, look, you ain't getting no more of a description. When it comes to eye creams and why your everyday moisturizer just wouldn't take care of that area like it does the rest of your skin, this skin underneath your eyes is way thinner, or it is thinner than the other parts of your face. So these creams are made for this specific layer of skin. Whoo! She's $99 now. Okay, maybe I'll take all that back. So yes, wow, I look at my skin. First things first. Caudalie, hey girl, thank you so much for sending me these products. Make sure you definitely go ahead and check them out. I will star my favorites and I will definitely make sure I keep you guys updated with how I integrate these products into my everyday routine. So that's it now. That's all I got. Let me take my shirt. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my shades on, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'll take my box too. My box.